Hello and welcome back to another exciting JavaScript tutorial. Today, we'll tackle an interesting array-related problem. How to determine if an array does not contain the numbers 1 or 3. This builds on our previous lesson where we checked for their presence. This time, we'll flip the logic to confirm their absence. This task is an excellent exercise in logical conditions and array methods in JavaScript. Let's break down the problem. Our task is to determine if an array of two integers does not contain the numbers 1 or 3. If the array includes neither value, we'll return true. If it includes one or both, we'll return false. For example, an input array of 7 and 8 would return true because neither 1 nor 3 are present. However, the array 0 and 1 would return false, since 1 is included. This is a great exercise to practice logical negation and conditional checks in JavaScript. Here's the JavaScript code that solves the problem. The function is13 takes an array nums as input. It uses the indexOf method to search for 1 and 3 in the array. If neither value is found, indicated by indexOf returning -1 for both, we return true. Otherwise, we return false. The double ampersand operator ensures that both conditions must be met for the function to return true. The examples demonstrate the function in action. The array 7 and 8 returns true because neither value is present, while the array 3 and 2 returns false because it contains a 3. Let's break the logic down step by step. We assume the input is an array of exactly two integers, so no additional validation is required. The function first checks for the presence of 1 using index of 1. Then it checks for 3 using index of 3. Both checks are combined with the double ampersand operator to ensure that neither value is present. If both conditions are met, the function returns true. Otherwise, it returns false. This step-by-step approach ensures clarity and accuracy in the function's logic. In our first example, the input array is 7 and 8. The function checks for the presence of 1 and 3 using indexOf. Since neither value is present, the function correctly returns true. This demonstrates the behavior of the function when the array meets the condition of containing neither 1 nor 3. In this example, the input array is 3 and 2. The function finds 3 at index 0. Since 3 is present, the condition of not containing 1 or 3 is violated, and the function returns false. This highlights how the function detects the presence of either value and responds accordingly. In this final example, the input array is 0 and 1. The function checks for 1 and finds it at index 1. Since 1 is present, the function returns false. This demonstrates that the function correctly identifies when one of the values violates the condition. Here is the modernized version of the function using ES6 syntax. While the logic remains the same, this version uses an arrow function for conciseness. It is a great example of how JavaScript's modern features can help you write cleaner and more compact code. To summarize, we wrote a JavaScript program that checks if an array does not contain the numbers 1 or 3. Using methods like indexOf, we efficiently verified the absence of these values and returned a Boolean result. This logical structure is a common approach in many programming tasks, making it a valuable addition to your JavaScript toolkit. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.